today, and the death toll has now mounted much further.
So the death toll that is now crossed 400 mark as far as the last rites that were also being conducted of when it comes to the body parts that have been recovered of the victims of the deadly landslides there. Many of those people who have been injured and many of them have been rescued. It's been almost a week now that we are looking at these deadly landslides which hit the hilly district of Wayanad. The death toll has gone beyond 400. However, when it comes to the next bigger challenge would be the rehabilitation of the people there, many of them who are still putting up at the relief camps. There are supplies that are now being brought about to the people, but even when it comes to the adverse weather conditions, पिंकी हमारे साथ फिलहाल जुड़ रही है। पिंकी से सवाल ले लेते हैं। पिंकी, आखिरकार जब कंडीशंस बनी हुई है वायनाड की अगर बात की जाए तो डेथ टोल है वो 400 के पार जा चुका है। अब बड़ी चुनौती क्या बनती हुई सामने आ रही है?
देखिए, सबसे बड़ी चुनौती जो है वो रिहेबिलिटेशन का ही कह सकते हैं। साथ ही इतना ट्रेजिक ये ट्रेजेडी है जहां पर मरने वालों की जो संख्या है वो 400 के पार पहुंच गई। वायनाड में जो हुआ है, आपको बता दें कि सूचीपारा के आसपास जो तमाम इलाके हैं वहां पर भी घर जो है पूरे के पूरे जो क्योंकि गांव वॉश ऑफ हो चुके हैं। ऐसे में सबसे बड़ी चुनौती इन रेस्क्यू टीम्स के लिए आज 8वें दिन भी यही बन रही है कि डेड बॉडीज को जो है इस मलबे से कैसे निकाला जाए और पूरी तरह से, क्योंकि स्कैटर्ड पॉपुलेशन, अगर हम केरला के डेमोग्राफी की अगर बात करें तो काफी पॉपुलेशन है। ऐसे में उन लोगों को पता करना और जो लोग ऑलरेडी रेस्क्यू कर लिए गए उनका रिहेबिलिटेशन जो है बहुत बड़ी चुनौती है। साथ ही आपको बता दें कि कल मास बरियल जो है वो किया गया है, जहां पर वो लोग जिन्हें अभी तक आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया गया है उनका अंतिम संस्कार किया गया है। आज सर्वधर्म का पूरा जो प्रेयर किया जाएगा इन तमाम डिपार्टेड सोल्स के लिए। तो चुनौतियां जो है वो आज 8वें दिन भी बनी हुई है, क्योंकि मौसम खराब है। लगातार जो है लोगों को अभी भी ढूंढने की जो प्रक्रिया है वो जारी है और बड़ी संख्या में क्योंकि लोग रेस्क्यू भी किए गए हैं, उन्हें अब किस जगह जो है रिहेबिलिट किया जाएगा, ये कहीं ना कहीं एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज बनकर उभर रहा है। जी,
Okay, all right. The death toll mounting to 408, but the rescue and relief operations still continue. Pinky, thank you for joining us with those details. There are 201 people who have been airlifted to safe areas, including 17 NDRF personnel and close to 2,000 kgs of relief material being supplied to the critical areas till today.
But as far as when it comes to the rescue operations that have been carried out, let's quickly get you from Shivani right now. Shivani, images that are coming in from the Kedarnath Valley where rescue operations are being carried out. Exactly, if you can tell us when it comes to the monsoon fury that has affected much of India.
The Indian Air Force continues the rescue operations from Kedarnath, Mi-17 and ALH operating from Guptakashi and Chinook operating from Goshen Helipad, carried out multiple sorties, picking stranded people from inside the Kedar Valley. In fact, not only that Indian Air Force, but other military forces are also informed to assist in the rescue operation, and henceforth the NDRF was also deployed at the Kedar Valley. And now in this recent update, it is being told that 201 people have been evacuated safely from the danger zone and have been shifted to safety areas. In fact, day before yesterday as well, multiple sorties carrying 800 kg relief material was dropped in affected zones, and in fact 94 people were rescued even then. And if we talk about till yesterday's IF rescue operation, 201 people were airlifted, including the 17 NDRF personnel. Close to 2,000 kgs of relief material was supplied to critical areas. In fact, they also say that on a larger number, evacuation of people in the danger zone has been done, but very few people are still stranded over there, and that is why the rescue operation will continue with regards to NDRF working over there, local operatives working there, and the Indian Air Force airlifting people with all their possible helicopters and choppers over there.
Okay, all right. So 201 people airlifted to safety as of now, including the NDRF personnel. Close to 2,000 kgs of relief material also supplied to the critical areas till today.